Hello guys, my name is Pravya Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can going to create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and also you can create a social bookmarking backlink, and the main do follow a high engaging article submission backlinks in this website. So you can see this is a website, a dashboard, and this website names is talksmarkets.com. And before this started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 70, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 53. Spam score is only 1%. And if I can show you this website, a traffic according to similar web, so this website having around 136.9k monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from USA, India, Canada, UK, Italy, and another country. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the sign up button, and then there you can fill your business name. So DML training. So this should be the username. So you can keep the small character and avoid space between the words. And here you can type your email address, then this is your username. This is your username, and the first one is for your URL. And here you can type your password. Then after you can verify the captcha, acknowledge terms and condition, click on the sign up button, and this site will send you the activation email. So you can check your Gmail box, and you can go to the spam folder. Might you receive your activation email all in your spam folder? Click on the confirm account button, and you see our account is activated. Now we can upload a profile picture. So click on the browse button. Then after you can adjust your logo appearance. Then after you can click on the crop images. Click on the next button. You can select some of the interest. So I don't have marketing related interest, so I can select any on from there. And here you can type your a website a title. So my website title is number one SEO company email training. Let me use this for now. And here you can type your description. There you can type your website name. Here you can paste your website URL, and there you can create a multiple type of backlinks. So like I like to create my product backlink here, backlinks, and this is my page. So you can add a multiple your pages. So like I can going to add for my search engine optimization page. So you can see you can add a multiple your product pages here, and then after you can click on the next button and click on the next button. So you can see my profile is created, and now you can navigate to your username. Click on the my profile page. So you can see this is your profile page, and if I can open in incognito, so you can see this is my brand name, and this is a tagline. And if I can show you, this is a backlink. This is a backlink. So you can see this is a no follow backlink, but I can show you how you can create your do follow backlink in this website. Okay, so now you can navigate to the my personal blog.
This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co.
There you can click on the create new blog post. There you can type your headline. So suppose this is my headline. There you can add a short description. Let me use this for now, and generate. Let me generate a quick article following through this JSON. create a blog. Want to rank. So let me put my article here. Final thought. So you can generate your article and you can paste your article here, and you can optimize your article through this styles. So there is an option to you can change your heading tags, and if you wanting, so you can make it bold anything through this. So suppose if you wanting to hyperlink any your targeted keyword, so you can select your keyword, copy your web page URL, and here you can see there is an option for the hyperlink button. You can click on this. There you can put your website URL, click on the OK button, and you see our keyword is successfully hyperlinked. And after there you can add your tags. Then after you can click on the save and preview, and once you can preview your article, then after you can click on the publish button. This might will ask you to log in through Facebook to publishing this article, so you can log in your Facebook or a Facebook ID. Then after you can click on the continue as your Facebook username. Again, you can click on the back to my personal blog. Go to the your profile username, click on the my personal blog, and this is article what we published. Click on the your article title, and this is our article. So if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. And now I can show you how you can create your another backlinks in this website. So now you can navigate to the home page. So you can see there is a create a new status. Click on this. From there you can post anything. So suppose like a search engine optimization, and there I can include only my website URL, and you can post your social bookmarking kind of things in this website. Okay, and there is also many options to like you can publish your image backlinks, video backlink, and another kind of backlinks in this website. So let me open, and if I can navigate to the photos section, so there is no any photo, blogs, Twitter, or comments. So in this website, you can publish your, you can create a profile backlink, social bookmarking backlink, and your article backlink in this website. Okay, so overall, this is the process to how you can create backlinks in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide you full details in the description section, where you guys will connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.